Welcome to your new home.
Thank you. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Oh my god.
May I come into your home?
Yes, of course you can. Oh, how stunning is that? Oh my goodness. Are you in heaven?
Look at this.
This is crazy. We've arrived at a perfect time as well. And that jacuzzi! Wow!
Just before you arrived, there was rain. On the side, but still you can.
That is a good view. That's amazing. Good morning from the amazing Maldives. So we arrived last night about, was it 6 p.m?
Yeah,
About 6 p.m. So we literally dropped our bags. We could not believe what we were seeing. Got some dinner, watched the stars. It was amazing. We are spot hunting for the drone, and I literally haven't even said it, but we're in Veligandu, and it is amazing here. I'll link everything in the description about them. And I'm here with this one, my camera boy, my photographer. I'm bugging you off. We are gonna catch the sunrise, but look how beautiful. So I just had my drone out. I felt like I was in my element, and we're gonna go get breakfast now at the buffet. And I'm really excited because we had dinner last night at the buffet and it was so nice, wasn't it?
Really good.
I had like chicken and mash and rice, and it was gorge. And everything here, the food is so fresh, you can't even see me. Hello. Oh god, it's too bright. That's where breakfast is. Lego. We have just jumped out to shoot some bits. It's like 9:30 and we have shot so much stuff. We got the drone out, like I feel very productive. Nick's just run down to the beach now to do some sun tanning. So I'm just gonna get a little bit of work done, then join Nick on the beach, have a bit of a chill, and then we're gonna do some snorkeling soon, so I'll see you there. Sunset cruise and see dolphins hopefully. I'm just wearing like a white crop and some pants. I think Nick is outside eating a Snickers bar for some energy before we go. And look at him, he's so cute.
Hello.
seen anything in my life like that ever.
It was beautiful. Look at this path. Walking into heaven.
We've been here for, this is our 3rd day, and this still just does not feel real to me at all. I don't know about you, but I'm like,
No,
this
look
is a
at
weird
this
dream. Like, yeah, look at this gaff. Look at this gaff, mate. And they're having like a little private beach dinner over there. We're doing that tomorrow. No proposals.
Hell no.
No proposals.
Oh, they got some tunes going. Ba, ba, ba.
Guys, we are just about to hit the spa and get our couples massage. Today was unreal and kind of sad. We don't want to leave, so there's a lot of like sadness in the air. Oh my god.
Who wants to look like Patchy McGee over here?
That's from the wetsuit. Oh my god.
She blames the wetsuit or the poor application of the fake tan.
Oh, shut up.
Definitely the latter.
I look like a tiger. I'm not the fake tan for a trip.
I'm hungry. Tell me if I'm gonna fly in.
I will, you'll go and hear it. Is this something better?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll let you know if you're gonna fall in.
I just want to get those people out. Do that again, but I got to walk back.
Oh my god, the floor's really hot.
Come on, you can do it.
Yeah, I believe in you. Thank you. Wow.
Look at that service.
Give me this. How are you walking so casually? I'm burning.
Rock solid.
You're tough. Oh, thank you. What a gentleman.
Cute farmer.
Like a bowler.
No. Do you want to say hey?
What's he doing?
Food?
Foods.
Want some food?
We love foods. What are you doing?
Alright. I just did a 360. Did you like that?
Very cool.
Very YouTube.
Very YouTube.